Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor. Today, we're exploring the Torriden Dive-In Serum, a Korean skincare product that's been making waves in the beauty community. Is it the real deal or just another overhyped product? Let's dive in. Product overview. The Torriden Dive-In Serum is formulated with a 5D multi-hyaluronic acid complex, aiming to deliver deep hydration without a sticky residue. It's designed to absorb quickly, leaving the skin feeling refreshed and moisturized. The serum also includes soothing ingredients like D-panthenol, allantoin, and madecassoside to calm sensitive skin. Customer feedback and reviews. The serum has garnered attention for its lightweight texture and effective hydration. Users have noted that it absorbs quickly and leaves the skin feeling soft and plump. However, some reviews suggest that while it's a solid hydrating serum, it may not perform miracles for everyone. For instance, a review from sugarpeachesloves.net mentions that the serum is a perfectly simple hydrating serum, but didn't provide extraordinary results. Authenticity and purchasing. When purchasing the Torriden Dive-In Serum, it's crucial to ensure you're buying from reputable sources to avoid counterfeit products. Authentic products are typically sold through official retailers and trusted online platforms. Be cautious of significantly discounted prices or unfamiliar websites, as these can be indicators of counterfeit items. Always check seller reviews and product authenticity guarantees when shopping online. Conclusion. The Torriden Dive-In Serum appears to be a legitimate and effective hydrating product for many users. While individual experiences may vary, the overall feedback suggests that it delivers on its promise of lightweight, non-sticky hydration. As always, ensure you're purchasing from reputable sources to guarantee product authenticity. If you've tried the Torriden Dive-In Serum, we'd love to hear about your experience. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare reviews and tips. Stay radiant and take care.